What? What? What is it? What do you want? What is it? What's up with you? Yeah? What do you want? What do you want? What do you want? I don't understand. Use your words. What? What is it? What? What is it? Nothing? Okay. You want me to go back in the other room? Do you want me to come back in the other room? Okay, I'll go back into the kitchen. Sorry to bother you. What? What? Yeah? You're just mad because you didn't get to speak at the debate tonight, right? The presidential debate's not there. What? Yeah? What else?